Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Orlando, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today, we're looking at a question almost every homeowner asks at some point. Should you build with wood or composite decking, and what really lasts in Orlando's weather? By the end of this short episode, you'll have a clearer idea of which deck materials fit your home and how you plan to use your outdoor space. Let's start with wood decks. Wood has been used for decks for a long time because it's strong, familiar, and, when built correctly, can look great. A properly built wood deck with the right footings, framing, and fasteners can give you many years of solid use. The trade-off is maintenance. In our climate, wood needs regular care, cleaning, sealing, and sometimes sanding or board replacement to keep it safe and looking good. On the other side, you've got composite decking. Composite boards are made to resist moisture, fading, and everyday wear in a way that reduces routine upkeep. Brands like Trex design their products so they don't need to be painted or stained the way traditional wood does. That doesn't mean they never need cleaning or attention, but it does mean less scraping, sealing, and dealing with splinters. For many Orlando homeowners, that lower maintenance over time is a big reason to look at composite. So how do you choose between them? Start with how long you plan to stay in your home. If this is your long-term place and you want a deck that stays consistent in color and shape, composite can be a smart choice. If you're more focused on upfront cost and you don't mind doing regular maintenance, a well-built wood deck can still be a strong option. The key is to be honest about how much time and effort you realistically want to put into ongoing care. Next, think about how your deck connects to the rest of your outdoor living plans. Are you also planning a patio, pergola, or even an outdoor kitchen in the future? A low-maintenance composite surface can be helpful when your deck is the main traffic path between different areas of your yard. Fewer raised boards, less splintering, and better resistance to moisture can keep the whole space safer and more comfortable to use. No matter what you choose, structure comes first. That means proper footings, solid framing, and the right fasteners before any decking boards go down. A deck with great materials but weak structure won't perform well, and it won't feel safe. When we build decks, we look at span lengths, load, and how the deck connects to your home to make sure it's ready to handle real-world use. If you're thinking about a new deck or replacing an old one, it can help to talk through your options with a professional. You can reach our team at 407-219-9951 or visit toughdeckbuildersorlando.com to learn more about our deck construction services and material choices. We'll walk you through wood and composite options, explain how each behaves in Orlando weather, and help you line that up with your budget and long-term plans. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Orlando. If you're ready to plan a deck that fits your outdoor space and how you actually live, Tough Deck Builders Orlando is here to help you build something solid, safe, and ready for the long haul.